Hello, my name is Kevin Attkisson. I'm a personal injury attorney located in Dayton, Ohio. I'm with the Attkisson law firm. We represent injury victims. Today, I'd like to talk about pedestrian accidents in Ohio. First of all, pedestrian accidents can be very serious. You get struck by a car, they tend to cause very, very severe injuries. As a pedestrian, you should always use the sidewalk. If the sidewalk is available. If there's not a sidewalk available, you can walk on the side of the road, but not within the roadway. If it is impossible, there's no shoulder to walk on, then you can walk in the roadway, but you must stay as far to the right as possible. When crossing at an intersection, you should always use the crosswalk and cross with the light. Now, if you are crossing the roadway and you're not at an intersection, you must yield to traffic. Okay, so always make sure you yield to traffic coming. If you're struck by a car, it can cause very serious injuries. We represent injury victims in pedestrian accidents. You can call the Attkisson law firm, and we'd be very glad to help you out on this. I'd like to add that if you are a pedestrian and you are crossing against the light, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to yield to motor vehicles, but motor vehicles at the same time are supposed to be careful and to watch where they're going, to not to strike pedestrians. So even though you were crossing against the light or you were not crossing within a crosswalk as you're supposed to do, there could be some negligence assessed to you as the pedestrian, but there can also be negligence assessed to the driver as well. So the driver could be held responsible for their proportionate share of the negligence for striking you as a pedestrian. So there can be an assessment of negligence, some on the pedestrian, some on the motorist. To help sort that out, you can certainly call my law firm. We'd be glad to help.